In this video, I'm unboxing the Sony a7 IV, the Sony 16-35 F2.8, the tough CF Express from Sony, and some batteries. You guys are gonna absolutely love this video. I'm gonna love making this video, and it is an absolute pleasure to make this video. So let's just delve right in and unbox this bad boy. Let's go. So, oh my gosh. The backstory behind this, man, like I've been working so damn hard and I've finally reached like 5,000 subscribers recently. I've been putting in like so much hard work. I work like 2 jobs and I never gave up, and we are now here where I have like a camera that I've genuinely always wanted. I'm like really proud of myself right now. As you can see, there's lots of emotion. There's been like a lot of doubt. Just doing what like I want to do, and like I've never given up. I've just like kept persevering, and you know what? I'm standing here right now with my like dream camera kit. I think it means like the absolute world to me. I'm finally here and I'm able to do an unboxing even like this. This is like what dreams are made of, you know. So I'm really proud of myself for this. So today's a special one, 100%. So, like all of my videos, I'm just gonna give this video everything I have and make sure that it's the best video I can possibly do for you guys. Whew. Alright, now that we have all the emotion out the way, let's delve into the actual camera. So, the actual camera, I think this is the main bit of the kit. This is the main brain, the main body. So this Sony camera is an absolute machine. Straight away, as we open up this box, it comes with the power cable, which has an English plug, but also an Australian plug, and this type of plug. Also comes with all of these small camera information, some reference guides. This is what's inside the box, guys. So we have this package, which is interesting. I've got the actual strap for the camera, and let's move the box out the way, and we have the body itself. Oh, we have a few extras over here, which I'm gonna guess would be some batteries. So these are the official Sony batteries. So this one looks like it's for the actual power point of the camera. So this has a USB out and this power outlet. And this one looks like the actual camera battery. We have the actual camera body itself. Okay, so it comes with a USB Type-C cable. So let's have a look at this body real quick. So this is our beautiful camera body. So the first thing that we can do is turn it on and off. So the best way to do that is by flicking this button, and that'll turn it on, that'll turn it off. To record, you can just press the red button and that will press record. You have a couple of different settings here. We got manual, we have auto, we have aperture priority, shutter priority, and we have 1, 2, and 3 of our custom settings. Right there we have the hot shoe mount, so that's to put like a microphone on top. We have these 2 things to put our straps on, and that's mainly the front to basically put lens on. We can do that, and that will allow us to pop our lenses on. On the back here we have the flip out screen, like the Canon 90D that I'm using right now. We also have a function button or an FM button. We have 2 dials, so we have this disc dial with the press in, and we have this sort of dial, which is really good to have. We've also got a menu option. We have the playback and the delete options. We have the video mode there with this dial, and then we have the photo mode and this S&Q option. So basically to do that, we just press that down, and now we can adjust to photo mode, video mode, or this S&Q mode. If I turn this on real quick, I can actually show you some basics of what's going on over here as well. So that's to play back or delete. Press FM and it shows us our camera settings, our white balance settings. Just press that to go back to the main menu, and that will just take us back to the main thing. C3. We can turn autofocus on and off here. We can also zoom in and out. We could also change the shutter speed through this dial, change the ISO through there. and that either locks it in, so you can press that to lock it in, and then that will lock off, so then you can affect the ISO that way. We also have another dial at the front here, which would also affect our shutter speed, and also we can turn our autofocus on and off that way. And these are our menu settings, so you can change your auto record level, and you can change your media formats and all that stuff. You can connect to your smartphone through this camera as well, which is really good. It also allows you to do a Bluetooth connection and a Wi-Fi, and to transfer some images or videos from your mobile phone, or to be able to capture images. Or it also has USB streaming options over here as well, and has image stabilization enabled on the camera as well. So there's lots to see here. Brand new sort of menu to the Canon menu, but overall you can pretty much get it once you take your time with it and understand it a little bit. So with the battery, it goes in this way, and you sort of just slide that in and you lock that in, and it will just sort of swing open unless you lock it, because there's a locking option there. So that is really interesting. So if I want to power this up, I'm going to see if any of these batteries work, or this dual charger. So this is a Jupio battery charger, and that just comes with sort of micro Type-C cable. There we go. So now we have the Aussie plug. So that just plugs into here. Comes with these Jupio chargers, and they'll just go in like that, and boom, now it's ready to charge. It comes up with this menu when you turn this thing on, and it says whether you're in English, so you can input your date and time onto this thing. We are already ready to go. That's how easy it was. The setup menu, it just asks for the date and the time and the region you're in. The menu settings on this thing is a lot different. Yeah, we can change some of these settings. So, or I could shoot at 8-bit at 4.2. Let's go for the highest resolution. You can actually choose like the different recording media options, whether you want to do slot 1 or slot 2. I can input my two different brand new SD cards into this camera. The SanDisk Pro, so this thing is 64GB at 170. So I can input that. All I have to do is open this card slot over here, input the SD card into slot 2. At the same time, I can do this Type A CF Express card. The CF Express cards are apparently better for holding the storage. So these are the Sony ones. These are like really expensive, by the way, and quite small. Like, I'm actually quite impressed by how small that is. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. Slides in, presses in, and boom, we are all locked in and ready to go for this camera. So that means that I could record on both SD cards at the same time. To record, all I have to do is press this red button there to take a photo. I just hold down that button, or it does the autofocus. All right, so let's unbox this beautiful lens. Basically, this lens comes with these cards, so I can register the card on Sony.com. It gives me some Sony Imaging Pro support as well. Boom, look at that. And on the side, it also comes with some information about the lens. So it comes with this beautiful bag as well that I really like here. That reminds me, I should probably get a camera bag eventually. So that just opens up like that, which is quite cool. This lens comes out swinging, and we get another lens strap. We get a lens hood as well. Goes straight into the lens. Why am I holding that up? Wow, this thing is heavy. I love it. This is our brand new camera lens. So this is our Sony G Master 16-35. So we have two different dials. So for some reason on this lens, that is at 16 and that's at 35. I don't know why. And then we have the focus ring too. And overall, it looks absolutely beautiful. That is a beautiful lens and I love it. So it also comes with this lens hood. There we go. Push that down and now we have the lens hood on and it is fixed. And it has a button if you want to take it off. So you just press that down and now you can take it off. I'm interested about this strap. What is this? So I guess instead of worrying about if you're gonna lose it or not, you put on one of these things and they've got hooks. There's also this button here. So we've got the autofocus and we have this button here as well. Let's put this lens on the actual camera body and let's see how easy it is actually putting on these lens mounts. So once again, like I said, that is at 16 and that's at 35mm. We've got the flip out screen. We've got the actual lens on. This thing is an absolute beast. Let's change some of these settings and I can show you how to change some of these settings. So knob over here that I can swing down and that will take me down to F2.8. So now that is at the full aperture. So to change the ISO, we just use this knob and we can just swing that and that will change the ISO. This C3 button does continuous autofocus, or we could do manual focus. We also have a C2 button, so that also shows the different focus areas. So we can do a wide focus area, or we can do a zone. We can do a center fix, so that's focusing on what's in the center. Center fix would make most sense for this sort of shot because it's focusing on what's in the center. I just put it on the auto white balance and then I can change the color in post if I really need to. So might as well get a quick recording done with this camera and then I can show you what it looks like. Alright, so now we are recording in the brand new camera. This looks absolutely amazing. Wow, I can't wait to be using this brand new Sony camera. It's a brand new look for the studio and I'm very excited about showing off this quality. I'm very excited because it's just a brand new level for this YouTube channel and we've reached 5,000 subscribers recently and I'm so proud of finally getting there. You know, it's a big investment to put into this camera, but it's going to be worth it. Usually with the photo mode, I stick it on automatic. It'll tell me straight away what I can do and we can take a selfie or something like that on this camera. Now shooting the rest of this video on this camera, the brand new A7S IV, because I looked at the picture quality and it's just like 10 times better. The actual video that we have, that's that picture quality right there. It looks beautiful, right? And then if we look at some of the old footage from the old camera, it just does not look as good, I would say. It just has like this sort of really sharp look, like way too sharp, whereas this brand new lens just looks absolutely beautiful, like chef's kiss. Just looks absolutely amazing. So I'm very happy with this purchase. We will be getting better quality videos with this camera, so I'm very excited. And yeah, man, it's just like a brand new start for this channel. So if you want to see more from this channel, make sure that you like and subscribe, support this journey of mine, and I will see you guys next time.